Hi and welcome to the Mathemagic channel. How would we solve an equation like this? Well, you could just scream, or you could watch the video. Before we start the video, remember to subscribe to the channel. We need your support. Subscribe so that you can watch all of our videos. Thank you so much. So one thing to note here is that whenever you have a surd, one thing that you do is you hunt for perfect squares. So if you have the square root of 20, for example, you're going to say, well, that's the square root of 4 times 5. And I know that 4 is a perfect square, so the 4 can leave the square root. You can say it's the square root of 4 times the square root of 5. And the square root of 4 is a 2, so this becomes 2 root 5. And we could do this because we recognize that inside of 20 there was a 4 and a 5, and the 4 is a perfect square. So square rooting a perfect square is something great, and this is what we're looking to do here. So inside of 2000, we recognize that there's perhaps a perfect square, and it looks to me like this is going to be 400. And so yes, there's a 400 times 5 here, and the square root of 400 is going to be 20. And inside of 500, we can recognize again that we have a perfect square, which is 100, and the 100 is going to be multiplied by 5. So as we take the square root of 400, we can say that that's 20 root 5. And as we take the square root of 100, the square root of 100 is 10. We can say this is 10 root 5. And here you're absolutely allowed to add these quantities. You've got 20 square root of 5 plus 10 square root of 5. And the answer to this is 30 times the square root of 5. And this is a wonderful place to stop for this question. If you're not too sure how to handle surds, please make sure you watch our surds video. It's very self-explanatory, and it contains a lot of questions of this kind so that you don't stay stuck when you're on when you see one of these at school. Thank you so much for watching this short video explaining how to solve this entry-level Olympiad question. Make sure you follow our channel and watch some more math videos with us. Thank you for your support.